Now let's talk about IAM, Identity and Access Management. So what is an IAM is? Think about IAM like a bodyguard which protects your respective assets. So it sits in front of them or established in front of them, right before any traffic or an individual make an approach to a respective server. First, it is scrutinized by the IAM. So the IAM is the one where the user enter up the username and a password, and IAM cross verifies that whether this credential that has been entered are correct or not. And the MFA we talked about is also at the end of the day is used up by the IAM only to cross verify whether this particular person who say he is. So that's what the IAM is all about. Now, if you look into the components or the pillars of the IAM, so there are normally 4 pillars. That is identification, authentication, authorization, and accounting. In the identification, you identify that this particular person is actually having up a presence into the system, like already having up an ID or a username that has been created. The second is authentication. In the authentication, you look for ask the particular person for any sort of a PIN, password, right? That's what we have in the authentication part, where we ask or say to this particular person, prove who you say you are. Now after that, we have authorization. So based upon your respective job role in the organization, you are provided the access, even if you have entered the username and a password correctly. So it's not going to happen that you will be able to have an access to all the resources. It will be that only for the resources that belongs to your department or your job role that will be allocated to you. And then comes the accounting. So in accounting, all the activities are being monitored, and if you try to breach those permissions that has been provided to you and try to have an access to a file or a folder for which you have not a proper permission, in that case alerts, tickets will be generated, and then there would be an investigation that why this was the reason why an employee was trying to access a file or a folder which he is not authorized to. Was it intentional or was it unintentional? So guys, this is what we have. Thank you.